This is thirsty work. So guys, mics. It's the month of reviewing wireless microphone setups. And this is the T-Raputa. It's a wireless lavalier mic, an interesting product made specifically for smartphones and PCs. How does it stack up with all of the other wireless microphones that there are out there? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make life... hold on a second. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Can you see me now? Can you still hear me? Well, yeah, you probably can hear me. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech. If that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Okay guys, so that was a little bit of a joke, meant to be a joke, but actually not so much of a joke, because what I'm trying to illustrate is I'm using a wireless microphone. I'm actually using this wireless microphone, this T-Raputa wireless microphone, to record this video. And what I'm trying to say is you don't have to be near your computer or near your camera or anywhere. The sound quality and the audio doesn't change no matter where I am. Set yourself free. It's great, isn't it? But anyway, first off guys, I was sent this wireless microphone by T-Raputa to review it in exchange for my honest opinion. Now if you follow my channel, you'll know that whether I'm sent something or whether I buy it myself, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. Okay, so before we get into it, normally when I review one of these wireless microphone setups, I kind of do the intro and I do a little bit from the chair, and then I go outside and start recording with the device. However, today I decided to make this whole video with this T-Raputa wireless microphone, so hopefully it's going to sound okay. So let's have a quick look at what you get in the box. We have this rather nice hard shell case, and if we open it up, we've got a USB cable in there and some adapters. Now these adapters are for connecting the receiver to either a smartphone or a PC via USB-A or USB-C, or to an iPhone with a lightning port. So you also have this hard plastic charging case, and when you open this up, you've got an LED display to show you how much charge is in the case. So that's pretty cool. Now you have the microphone and the transmitter, which kind of like snap into position because they're magnetic, so that's nice. And you also have this little section for the foam windshield. So again, pretty nice. Now the mic stroke transmitter has a power on off button and it's battery powered, while the receiver seems to take its power from the USB device you're plugging it into. Pairing between the two devices is automatic, and you have two LEDs, one on each device, to show you the status. So if they're flashing red and blue, they're in pairing mode. If they're solid blue, they're paired. Now I've got to tell you, I had some extra high hopes for this device, as I've got a number of these action cameras, and I thought, well, you know, with a USB adapter, this could be the solution to my prayers. Something I can plug straight into my action cams and level up my audio, which is usually pretty dismal. But it wasn't to be. Unfortunately, it didn't work. I did manage to get the T-Raputa to pair to the DJI Osmo Pocket. I love this little camera. But no audio. I mean, oddly, it did create separate audio and video files, but it didn't work, which is a real shame. And on the Osmo Action and the GoPro and the Insta360 One X2, it didn't even pair up. In fact, I don't even think it powered up. So that's a bit of a shame. I also tried on my normal Sony cameras, but again, no cigar. So that's a shame, as this would have been absolute killer. But maybe this will come sometime down the line, I don't know. fingers crossed. Now, like I said, this audio was recorded into my Mac and then synced up with the video. So that was all done in post. Other than that, you have it unprocessed straight out of the mic, no funny business. I do think it's a great little device. It's ultra light and portable. I think the charging case is a bit of a game changer. And whilst the mic can last for around 8 hours on battery, the charging case allows you to kind of charge it again and again, so you can keep on recording. That's good. That's really all I've got to say right now. I think I will try some other tests, but let's see what this audio sounds like. Hopefully it's going to sound okay. I'll put any links to the product and any discount codes in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until then, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to T-Raputa for sending me this rather interesting device to review. Guys, I'm Dave, Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.